Here it is. I'm getting about a pretty good turn out of the crank before it even touches the timing chain, before it even pushes on the timing chain. So we got some slack in the bottom gear. This is a, you can read there, part number. So I did order a Trick Flow double roller 4X, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull the top end off of this motor tomorrow. I have a set of Johnson lifters coming. I think we're gonna do both. All right, I'll post up the next video.